Hey guys, and welcome back to another episode of Pangolin Tech Tips. I'm your host, Josh Orchbert, and today we're learning about the global command in NeoVim. So let's jump right in. First up, what is a global command? The global command allows us to execute a command that matches to a specified regular expression. So, for instance, in this example we have here, let's say I want to get students who fail their exam. To do that, I just do :g slash a regular expression, which in this case is failed, and let's say I want to print it. So I do slash p, and just like that, we print out the students who failed, that being James and David. Now, let's say I want to delete those two lines. So in that case, what I do is that :g slash failed again, but instead of putting p, I put d for delete. And just like that, the students who failed are deleted from our list. Now, it's not just single characters like those, P and D. We can put any command in our global command. So if I do fail again, and let's say I want to do a normal mode command. So I do norm followed by any action I take in normal mode. So let's say I want to go to the beginning of line, or actually the end of line, and I want to put an X mark and then a space. So doing this, now we have an X at the end of the students who failed. Finally, the most important use case of the global command is when we pair it with the substitute command. For instance, if we want to give the students in Mr. Smith's class who failed a retake, we could do :g slash Smith. So we're selecting the Mr. Smith's class, and then we're going to do a substitute command. So wherever we see failed, we're going to replace it with retake. And we want to do this globally, and just like that, the places where we have Mr. Smith's class, we only have one student in Mr. Smith's class who failed, that being David, and just like that, it changes to retake. And that's it for today's session of Pangolin Tech Tips. If you enjoyed today's video, then like and subscribe. If you have any suggestions for future videos, drop a comment below. Until then, see you next time.